Hi there, what's up? Welcome back to Ecofundomics. I am Dr. Shreya Roy, and I am doing this recording for the second time because the first time the audio was not clear, hence we had to do it again. So this is lecture 2 for SPSS, that is data analytics using SPSS. In the last session, we learned how to edit and type data in SPSS. If you haven't watched that yet, please go ahead and do that. And in today's lectures, we are going to learn how to import data from some other software, let's say Excel, or let's say Tata, or let's say CBS, or SAP, or SAS, um, any of those places. So stay tuned. Ecofundomics is an international research company serving knowledge across 160 countries. We are registered under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Education, Startup India, Skill India, and MSME. This is a registered certificate course. And once you complete the course, you're going to get an International Government of India recognized certificate. And if you do not know how to register the course, the registration link is down below in the description box. That's about it. Let's roll into it. So there are two methods for importing the data. So if you have the corporate or the upgraded version of SPSS, probably this should work for you. But if you do not have, the second option is more likable, user-friendly for you. So first we'll click on File, then we'll click on Import Data and select the type of data you want to import. Let's say we want to do Excel. Click on Excel and then click on SPSS class 1 and 2 and open. Something like so should come up. From the worksheet, you can select which sheet you want to work with. Always make sure that this row is clicked on. Read variable names from first row of data. Always make sure that this is ticked and selected, and then click on OK. This is how your data should look like. Okay, this is the variable tab, and down on your left-hand side bottom corner, you will have the variable view and the data view. The variable view will have the name and the type of data, and the data view will have your data. So obviously you can change the decimal places to 2 places or accordingly. So how to do these edits, make sure you visit lecture 1, the lecture prior to this. Okay. Now, if you want to open a new data sheet, first you open it, okay, and then you close this one. So the second way of opening a data sheet is click on File, click on Open, click on Data. This is a more user-friendly method because the import data option is not available on all the software. Hence, this is what you do. Then over here, File of Type, you click on Excel, and then you click on SPSS 1 and 2, click on Open. And let's say we want to select sheet 4, make sure the first one is selected and click on OK. This is how it will look like. Okay. Again, the same thing. If you want to delete a variable, you just do this, and that's about it. So what did I do? I selected the row and I clicked delete. And if I want it back, I did Control Z or undo. But say I deleted it, I can also click on this to get it back. So this is a redo and this is an undo. This is my variable tab. This is my data view. So basically, we learned 2 methods. Okay, so now as I said that you need to first open the other sheet and then close the previous one. This will help you with not shutting the entire software down. So it is important. Okay, so we launched 2 methods for opening a data. Is one, you can simply click on Open Data and then select the type of data, or second, File, Open Data, and from here you select the type of data. Okay, so in case you're not selecting your type of data, your data will not be displayed on this part. Okay. So make sure you select the type of data line. Like there is nothing to display over here. Once I select Excel, all my data sheets are visible. So make sure you are cautious while doing that. That's about it. Thank you. If you liked the video, learned something new, please like, follow, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so that you are updated every time we post a new video. Um, if you're still wondering how to get your certificate on this source, the link is down below in the description box. See you soon. Until then, bye bye.